Want to completely automate your faceless YouTube videos using AI? I'm about to show you a 5-step system that'll cut your production time down to just a few hours while creating professional content that actually gets views. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll have a complete blueprint for churning out videos faster than ever before. Let me be straight with you. Most people are doing AI content creation completely wrong. They're using basic prompts, getting generic results, and wondering why their videos aren't performing. But what I'm about to share with you is a strategic workflow that leverages specific AI tools in the right sequence to create compelling faceless videos that actually engage audiences. Here's the game-changing part. Every single tool I'm going to mention has free options available so you can implement this entire system without spending a dime. I've personally tested hundreds of AI tools, and these 5 steps represent the absolute best combination for maximum efficiency and quality. Step 1 is all about ideation with TubeMagic AI. Now, forget about throwing random prompts at ChatGPT and hoping for the best. TubeMagic AI is specifically designed for YouTube content creators, and it understands the platform's algorithm in ways that generic AI tools simply don't. When you input your niche or topic area, it analyzes current trending content, competitor performance, and audience engagement patterns to generate ideas that have real potential. The key here is specificity. Instead of asking for generic video ideas about fitness, you'd input something like home workouts for busy professionals or beginner yoga for anxiety relief. TubeMagic AI then provides you with highly targeted concepts that tap into actual search demand and trending topics within your niche. What makes this tool particularly powerful is its ability to identify content gaps, those sweet spots where there's audience demand but limited competition. It's essentially doing market research for you in seconds, something that would normally take hours of manual analysis. Step 2 takes us deeper into TubeMagic AI for scripting. This is where the magic really happens. Once you have your winning idea, you feed it back into TubeMagic's scripting feature, which creates structured, engaging scripts specifically optimized for YouTube's format. The AI understands YouTube-specific elements like hook creation, retention techniques, call-to-action placement, and even optimal script length for different video types. It's not just generating generic content, it's creating scripts that follow proven YouTube success patterns. Here's a pro tip. Always review and customize the generated script to match your unique voice and style. The AI gives you a solid foundation, but adding your personal touch is what will make your content stand out from the thousands of other creators using similar tools. Step 3 moves us into video creation with Pictory AI. This is where your script transforms into an actual video. Pictory takes your written content and automatically generates visuals, selects relevant stock footage, adds transitions, and even synchronizes everything with AI-generated voiceovers. The platform's strength lies in its understanding of pacing and visual storytelling. It doesn't just randomly assign footage to sentences, it analyzes the content context and selects visuals that enhance your message. You can choose from various video styles, aspect ratios for different platforms, and even brand templates to maintain consistency across your content. What's particularly impressive is Pictory's ability to create smooth transitions and maintain viewer engagement through strategic visual changes. It follows the same principles that professional video editors use, but automates the entire process. Step 4 focuses on thumbnail creation using Pixels AI. Thumbnails are absolutely critical for YouTube success. They're often the deciding factor in whether someone clicks on your video or scrolls past it. Pixels specializes in creating eye-catching, clickable thumbnails that follow YouTube's best practices. The AI analyzes your video title and content to generate thumbnails that accurately represent your video while maximizing a click-through potential. It understands color psychology, text placement, image composition, and even face positioning when human elements are involved. You can experiment with different styles, from minimalist designs to bold, attention-grabbing graphics. The tool also provides A/B testing suggestions, allowing you to upload multiple thumbnail variations and see which performs best with your audience. Step 5 brings us back to TubeMagic AI for title and description optimization. This final step is crucial because even the best video won't perform if people can't find it. TubeMagic's optimization features analyze search trends, keyword competition, and audience behavior to craft titles and descriptions that maximize discoverability. The AI doesn't just stuff keywords randomly, it creates natural, compelling titles that humans want to click while satisfying YouTube's search algorithm. For descriptions, it generates comprehensive, keyword-rich content that provides context for both viewers and the algorithm without feeling spammy or robotic. The description generator also includes strategic tag suggestions, optimal upload timing recommendations, and even ideas for community posts that can drive additional traffic to your videos. Now, here's what sets successful AI content creators apart from the rest. They understand that these tools work best when used strategically together. Each step builds on the previous one, creating a synergistic effect that produces content far superior to what you'd get using these tools in isolation. The real power comes from the data flow between tools. TubeMagic's ideation informs the scripting, which guides Pictory's visual selection, which influences Pixel's thumbnail design, which all comes together in the final optimization phase. I've seen creators reduce their video production time from 12 hours to just 3 hours using this exact workflow. That's a fourfold increase in efficiency, which means you can either create more content or free up time for other aspects of growing your channel. But here's the critical point. Automation doesn't mean abandoning quality control. You should always review each step's output and make adjustments where necessary. The AI handles the heavy lifting, but your creative judgment ensures the final product meets your standards and connects with your specific audience. The future of content creation is here, and creators who embrace these tools while maintaining their unique voice and perspective will dominate their niches. This 5-step system isn't just about working faster, it's about working smarter and scaling your content creation in ways that simply weren't possible before. Ready to revolutionize your YouTube game? Start with step 1 today.